It's the end of another amazing day at Geneva Business School, and we've got a choice. Madrid rooftop, Mexican restaurant, or Spanish vibes? But wait, how did we get here? Here's how my day starts. As a sports management student, I like to start my day active. My morning run takes me past iconic places like this cathedral, the Royal Palace, and the Opera House. With my run done, I get ready for the day. I love to have a routine and usually head to my local cafe where I have breakfast and start preparing for my classes. Classes can start in the morning or afternoon, and usually I take the metro. My typical day at campus includes classes with real business leaders and hands-on project work. The school gives me structure to my daily routine and I love it. I also love meeting up with my friends. This is what my day is like, but it's different for everyone. So where are we going after a hard day of studying?
This is my favorite place to go to after a day of school at Geneva Business School. And Madrid is the best place to study at. You know what? Come and see for yourself.